$1 million button is something we probably wish we all had. In 2009, Jared Spool, a prominent user experience designer, and his team created a button for PayPal that came to be known as the $1 million button. In this video, we're going to look at how this came to be and what the button was. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps this small channel grow. Jared Spool, together with his team of user experience designers' objective was to revamp PayPal's checkout process through innovative user research and design methods. Observing seasoned shoppers navigating the client's test site, a pattern emerged. Users were encountering an issue right before the checkout phase. This issue was at the account authentication screen, where repeat customers found themselves unable to remember their user ID and password combination. The site used an email address as the user ID, but many of the repeat customers had set up their accounts years before and couldn't remember which of their email addresses was the ID. During testing, those unable to authenticate either abandoned their purchase or triggered a password reset request. However, the password reset required they remember which email address was their ID, which many couldn't do. They witnessed a remarkable number of abandonments on the password reset screen. When the password email was sent, the user had to go to their email client of choice, such as Outlook or Gmail for example, find the reset message, which would often be marked as spam, and click on the link in the email. In the test, they observed that this was a complex process for many users. The team wondered if so many users were having this issue during testing, how many real-life customers were having the same issue. After analysing the data, they found a huge percentage of potential customers were requesting password resets, approximately 40%. Of those who did request a reset, fewer than 20% finished their purchases due to a range of issues, including the user not knowing which email address they had, as we mentioned earlier. To correct this, the team implemented a guess purchase capability, which didn't require authentication to start the checkout sequence. They saw an immediate jump in sales, with an increase of around $6 million in the first week, which remained consistent. Password reset requests dropped by about 80% in that first week, proving how much of an impact the simple guess checkout button had made. The guess checkout button was often referred to as the $1 million button once Jared Spool began to speak publicly about it. Can you think of any other popular companies who would benefit from a very simple design change on their website? Please do subscribe if you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.